today I'm going to recreate a makeup look from the artist Milk1422 from Instagram. He's very popular, you probably know who he is. He's an artist and he does face art, so this is the picture that I'm going to recreate in this video. I'm going to put the picture right here so you can see it better. So I don't like the pink lips. I don't think it goes well with this eye makeup, but you can't really tell what eyeshadows he used in the crease because, yeah, I don't know, it's a picture. So I think he used, I don't know, like a dark purple, maybe some browns. So I kind of did my own version of this makeup right here. So yeah, I'm going to put the picture right here and link his page, Instagram page down below if you want to check him out. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep watching. First I'm starting with Magical, and that will be my transition shade, well, one of them. And as you can see here, I'm building up that color, and then I'm going with Shooting Star, and I'm going to follow the exact same steps. From my Carli Bybel palette, I'm picking this a dark purple shade, and I'm going to focus that mostly in the center of my crease, if that makes sense. And from my Subculture palette, I'm picking the color Rody, and I'm going to darken a little bit that crease, and again I'm focusing that shade right in the center of my crease. And as you can see, I'm using a very small detail brush. Going back with my Carli Bybel palette, I'm picking this gorgeous duochrome rose gold eyeshadow, and I'm using that wet because I want that to stand out, to pop, to be very pigmented. And I'm trying to create this cut crease, so if you want your cut crease to be perfect or almost perfect like mine was, take your time, be patient, and I don't know, don't worry too much. Next I'm going to line and tight line my eyes, and this is a hard step for me because I can't stand that liner touching my eyeballs. Yeah, I can't. Next I'm going with the blackest black eye pencil that I ever saw in my life. I think this is darker than the bottom of the ocean. I don't know, I haven't been there yet. I'm just assuming, but this is so dark, is like jet black. Okay, so I'm trying to create the bottom wing liner, if that makes sense. And also I'm going to line my lash line because I'm going to apply falsies and I don't want that band to show that much. And then I'm going to smudge that underneath my eyes with Shooting Star again. And then I'm going back with Rody, and I'm going to create that smoky bottom lash line. And also I'm smudging that out to create like a bottom wing liner, if that makes sense. Off camera, I applied my falsies, and also I applied some individual lashes on my bottom lashes because in the picture the girl looked like she had very long lashes, so I kind of struggled applying them. I don't know why. Anyway, then I trimmed them just a little bit because they were too long for my liking. And please be very careful with the scissors around your eyes, okay? To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use Moony. And to contour my face, first I'm going to use Browns and Sculpt from MUA Luxe. And then I'm going with my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. And for my blush, I'm using my classic blush palette from Mememe Cosmetics. To highlight my face, I'm going to mix Dream and Glow from my Spotlight highlight palette, and I'm going to make that face glow. And from my Blacklight highlight palette, I'm going to use On Point, and this is like a pinkish iridescent highlight, and I'm going to use that as a topper for my blush and my highlight. And it doesn't show as much on camera, but yeah, is there. For my lips, first I'm going to line them with my Skimpy pencil, and then I'm going with this Wet n Wild lipstick in the color Pinkerbell, and this is way too pink for me, but I'm going to make that work. On top of that, I'm going to apply this NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Strawberry Parfait, and then I'm going to apply highlight in the center of my bottom lip, because in the picture she looks like she has, I don't know, highlight. Maybe is that 3D effect, or maybe it's just the lighting, I don't know, but I'm going to try to create those lips. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really love how this cut crease turned out, and I love the colors together. I don't like the pink lips, but yeah, this is how the picture is. So I would prefer a nude lipstick. Yeah, anyway. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. I think I nailed it with the eyeshadow. I don't know, maybe not. Today I'm going to do oh. To recreate a makeup look from the artist. Why the heck did I look there? See? Cute.